The Bosch Dishwasher error code E15 is one of the most common issues you will encounter. It indicates that the anti-flood protection system has been triggered because water has leaked into the base of the machine. When this happens, the dishwasher will often keep the drain pump running constantly, even if you try to turn it off. Here is how to fix it. First, for your safety, disconnect the dishwasher from the power supply. The error is caused by a small styrofoam float at the very bottom of the unit. When water leaks onto the floor pan, the float rises and trips a microswitch. To reset the E15 code, you must remove this water. The quickest method is to pull the dishwasher out and carefully tilt it backward at a 45-degree angle. Have some towels ready, as water will drain out from the bottom tray onto the floor. Once all the water has been removed and the base is dry, the float will drop back down and the error should clear. After tilting the machine, wait about 30 minutes to ensure any remaining moisture evaporates, then plug it back in. If the E15 error returns immediately or after a few cycles, you have a persistent leak. Common sources include a worn-out lower door seal, a loose spray arm, or a leaking sump seal. In many cases, a simple tilt and dry will solve the problem, especially if the leak was caused by a one-time event, like oversudsing from too much detergent. However, if the pan keeps filling with water, you will need to inspect the internal components for cracks or loose connections.